Which of the following sites of Indus Valley Civilization is located in Punjab, India? Answer: Roped. During the Indus Valley period, from where were the shells procured for craft production? Answer: Nageshwar. In which of the following locations was Nataraj, a stone male dancing figure, discovered? Answer: Harappa. Which of the following sites is not a part of the Indus Valley Civilization? Answer: Arak. Which of the following Harappan site is not associated with craft production? Answer: Mandar. Which one of the following animals was frequently seen on the seals of the Harappan civilization? Answer: Bull. Which material was used to make beads in the Harappan civilization? Answer: Carnelian stone. In which state is the archaeological site of Surkotada situated? Answer: Gujarat. The Great Bath found at Mohenjo-daro was a large. Answer: rectangular tank. Which of the following metals was first used by man? Answer: copper. Which of the following Indus civilization sites has evidence of water reservoirs? Answer: Dholavira. The people of the Indus Valley civilization worshipped. Answer: Pashupati. Which of the following sites would be suitable for observing the architecture of the Harappan civilization? Answer: Banvali. The Iron Age site named Tekwada is located in? Answer: Maharashtra. In which Harappan site was a paved bathroom found? Answer: Mohenjo-daro. Which was the prominent architectural feature of the Indus Valley towns and cities? Answer: Citadel. Fire altars were found in which of the following groups of Harappan cities? Answer: Kalibangan and Lothal. Which of the following statements is true about the Great Bath of the Indus Valley civilization? Answer: it was probably used for religious purpose. Which of the following Indus Valley sites is now located in Pakistan? Answer: Harappa. Pottery was first traceable to which period of ancient Indian history? Answer: Neolithic. Cotton was probably grown at Mehrgarh from about? Answer: 7,000 years ago. Bhimbetka, a noted site of the Paleolithic period, is located in which state of India? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. During which of the following period ostriches were found in India? Answer: Paleolithic age. In which of the following sites of jadeite stone was found? Answer: Dojali Hading. Which of the following metals was used to make weapons and tools in Harappan cities? Answer: copper. The Harappan brought gold from present-day Dash in India. Answer: Karnataka. Which of the following types of house remains were found in Mehrgarh site of Harappan civilization? Answer: square or rectangular. Most Harappan seals made of? Answer: steatite. A celt is dash from the Neolithic period. Answer. A tool. Which of the following Harappan sites is located in Afghanistan? Answer. Shauchughai. Where in India would you find rock painting dating back to the Stone Age? Answer. Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka's caves are considered to be dash year old. Answer. 30,000 years. What were the first wheels made of? Answer. Wood. Which town of the Indus Valley Civilization literally means Mound of the Dead? Answer. Mohenjo-daro. Which of the following Indus civilization sites has evidence of water reservoirs? Answer. Dholavira. What was the most important feature of the Indus Valley civilization? Answer. Buildings made of bricks. Indus Valley civilization. Answer. Bronze Age civilization. The people of Harappa did not worship which of the following gods? Answer. Vishnu.